I'm about to go on a bike ride. I'm kind of sick, but it's going to be a good time. I usually have a buff, but I don't have any right now that are clean, so I'm wearing a bandana. Keeps my hair from getting all tangled up. This is my superhero suit. Got all the orange on. Blasting color just so people see me better. I have this theory that if I'm wearing a construction-like vest, a cruising vest for forestry, that people will actually see me on the road because they're more familiar with construction workers being on the road than other types of people that are wearing certain things. It's a pretty lovely day. There's a lot of bird noises going on in the morning. There's a lot of flowering trees right now. The bridge and the river are always very beautiful. Riding along some nice little roads. It's now starting to get in the more mountainous area out of the valley. Almost certain this is becoming a Forest Service road. This is where you run into bears unexpectedly. I ran into 2 bears last weekend. I'm not looking to do big hills though, so I'm gonna cut it. Turn around. I'm really loving it out here in the mountains. It's very peaceful. There's a lot to do for someone like me, even though there's not a lot of social things going on comparatively to the city. There's actually a ton of things going on. Going on this ride is actually really affirming for me because I was thinking about not going on a ride because I'm sick, but I feel better now that I've gone on the ride. There are a lot of places to adventure here in Northern California. The mountains are pretty awesome here. There's incredible peaks and a lot of Douglas fir trees. I'm really enjoying all this stuff going on. It's a mixed forest around here. There's a lot of oaks, a lot of maples, a lot of Douglas firs and ponderosa and sugar pines. I love flying down these hills. It's so exhilarating. You go fast here. There are places to go fast in Illinois for sure. You go fast for a really long time on these long hills here. I don't know why people go without glasses, because I get hit in the eyes all the time by bugs and rocks. They'll hit me in the face or my arms or my chest or something. There's a great deal of blackberries out here. Himalayan blackberry is an invasive plant that creates brambles. Northern California, Douglas fir, tan oak, Pacific madrone, forest type ecosystem. There's also a lot of California black oak and Oregon white oak, as well as Canyon live oak. The majority of plants, though, are for sure Douglas fir, like in my area. There's tons of Douglas fir. I've finally been able to identify them from afar, so I can look at the top of mountains and stuff and just know which ones they are. I've seen all kinds of birds all along the Klamath River. It's so cool. So I wrapped up my ride before I got too tired. I'm feeling pretty sick still, so I'm gonna finish my laundry. That was a nice little mini adventure. Happy to be alive.